Once you have this knife, you'll start cutting things like paper. Hey guys, what's up? Avro here, back with another review. This time I have the Ruike P138B, my everyday carry EDC folding knife. You could say a pocket knife as well, though it is very large in size. Okay, so I got this knife from Lightman here in India. This is my first folding knife, so to say, but I got this for certain reasons. First of them is how cool the blade looks. So this is a design based on Japanese Tanto style blades, where it has two edges to it, right? So there is this one edge that goes from the tip to here, and then another longer edge towards the side. So yeah, it does look very cool. So the blade length is 3.5 inches. It's made out of what Rake called it the Sandvik 14C28N steel. I've heard in a lot of reviews, so it's mentioned here. I've heard in a lot of reviews that this is a very dependable steel, and I have been using this knife for like 2 months now, and I am quite impressed by it. It also has this nice feeling G10 handle. So the G10 handles are supposed to be very grippy. They are made of some sort of a fiberglass material, and it has this nice texture. It's really grippy. It's like really nice to grip like this, or like backhanded like this. So it's not going anywhere. So texture is very nice. I love the texture. It has this deep carry pocket clip if you want to close the knife and carry it in your pocket, though you're not gonna get a lot of opportunities to do that here in India, but yeah, you have that option. It has a liner lock mechanism. So if for people who don't know what a liner lock is, this is the liner lock. So uh, if I want to fold the knife, if I want to disengage it, I just push this down, fold the knife back again, and when I open up the knife, this liner lock engages into place, right? So this, let me bring it close to the camera. So this liner lock engages into place, and it prevents the blade from folding back in, right? And so the blade isn't going anywhere when you're cutting or doing anything. The blade isn't going to collapse and fold on your hand or anything like that. So there's this liner lock mechanism here. Plus, there is a safety mechanism here. So when you engage this safety, you won't be able to disengage the knife. So if even if I try to disengage the liner lock, it's not going anywhere. So if you want an extra bit layer of safety, that is also there while you are doing any cutting applications or whatever, right? So once I disengage the safety here, then I can disengage the liner lock and I can fold the blade. So it's very nice, and I got this specifically for the safety mechanism because this was my first time with folding knives, and I wanted something. I was very paranoid about this collapsing on my hand, but it does not happen. I have never used this safety, even because even if this was the reason of getting the knife itself, right? So it's not a very big deal. I would have wished for a little bit of grip here, some jimping like we have here on the safety, just so when I'm cutting or anything like that. Yeah, and so far I have tried opening everything. One time I had to push it into a Gatorade bottle to open it up, just because the cap was so tight. So I just cut open the Gatorade bottle with this and just poured it in a cup and drank it. And for your normal Amazon boxes, this is pretty sharp. Uh, I have this piece of paper if I want to, if you like to see how sharp it is. It has been a month, and yeah, it's still butter. The blade hasn't lost its edge even after like 2 months of abusing this blade. I'm pretty sure I have a Bisleri bottle right here. I'm pretty sure it might go through that. I don't know if I want to do that, but I'll try it. So I can just. So that's how I pulled the Gatorade bottle as well. You can just. Once you have this knife, you'll start cutting things like paper. You'll start cutting things, everything. So this bottle is 2 types. This bottle cap is 2 type. You can just cut through the bottle and drink your water. Yeah. So I love this knife. This retails for 6K. I got it from a website here in India, lightman.in, and I just love the shape, dude. I just love the shape. And Rake is pretty famous for making very low cost, affordable knives with great steel. I am not yet at the position to comment on the sharpening aspect of the knife because I haven't yet tried sharpening it because it still has a great edge. But yeah, overall, I think the quality of the knife is great. Yeah, I don't have any complaints about it, and I just love opening Amazon boxes with it. Yep. That's me. That's all about the Rake P138B, and this is my EDC knife here in India. And let me know in the comments if you like to know more about it. If you like the video, drop a like, comment what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.